Alright, this is Soup here. I'm about to show you how the new developer hosting works on Goo Inside Me. I'm sorry about the bad video quality. If somebody wanted to lend me a camcorder, I would have been glad to use it. So the main thing that we've been working on is our over-the-air update system. The app that we have is really in its infancy. We just started it pretty much, but the main thing about it is all the server-side changes that have been put in place to make it all a possibility. So there's a rough script that I made that will pretty much just it's called Gooify, which will add all the build prop information to an existing ROM, which is just a random signage mod ROM that I took and downloaded. So this goes and adds all the required fields to the build prop, which you could find on the FAQ and how to. This pretty much goes over what you need to do and has a link to the Gooifier script itself. Now let's say I want to push an over-the-air update to my phone. In my current build prop, I have the fields that I needed basically to receive an over-the-air update. So all I need to do is publish a ROM that has a version ID that's higher than the one that was currently, with a matching board and ROM name. So my script is finished here, and now I could easily go in here to upload stuff. So just for a test, I made a CM test folder. So I just click for a suggestion, and sure enough, it will autocomplete whatever I wanted to use. So I have OTA test, which is the folder that I'm going to use for that. Now I can just hit add file. Now, right now, it's just in my desktop, and it is in the Gooify. Now here's the CM Soup OTA that I just created. Now let's start the upload. Thankfully I'm on FiOS, so it won't take particularly long. Now I could go to a new page, and let's say you wanted to be able to make your own custom pages or put readmes or how-tos on how to do all your crap. That is there too. You could add your own scripts. You could pretty much just hit edit and you get a CK editor. A lot of if you're into the web design business, it's pretty straightforward to use. Generates HTML. It is purified, so you can't put JavaScript and stuff like that just for security reasons. But anyways, you can make your own page at any URL that is in your folder that's pretty much here. If you wanted to make a new page, that's easy too, and it doesn't have to be somewhere where you actually do have our files. You could hit for suggestions, so if I want to put an OTA test or something in the OTA test area, I can just say ASDF, submit changes, and this will pretty much store on the site to where you could go and see it right there. There's the OTA test, and there's the OTA that just got uploaded. So now we have that. We could go to the existing file information, and I could click OTA test, and we'll see this new file that I just uploaded, and if I hit enter, we'll see that here are the prop fields that were automatically parsed out of the ROM data, and the version ID was based off of the UTC code since I used that Gooify app. So if I want to put a changelog, I can just put hi all, and this will be seen to anybody who receives this update. Now let's say there's a Google Apps package I recommend for this ROM, so let's just say new gingerbread ones. So I save that. The ROM information is set now. So pretty much at this point the update is pushed out. So let me take my HTC shooter, and then we'll open up the Goo Inside Me app. Sorry if it's a little bit out of focus. Check for updates. There is an update available. I tap the update, and now we will see that still totally out of focus, but yes, it has the G apps, the download, etc. So we successfully pushed an over-the-air update in just a matter of seconds. So this pretty much goes over the main part of what we've been doing here. It does have full CM update support, so we will be seeing that soon. And yeah, besides that, if you're a developer and you wanted to get your stuff moved over, if you needed any help doing it, just go into IRC and let me know. Otherwise, just contact us through other channels. Either way, take care, have a good day.